Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Amex Platinum Card Review My Usage Experience. Amex Platinum Card Review My Usage Experience isn't a service in itself, but rather a collection of reviews and experiences shared by users regarding the American Express Platinum Card. Its main purpose is to provide potential cardholders with insights into the card's benefits and drawbacks based on real-world usage. The target audience is anyone considering applying for the Amex Platinum Card or those curious about its value proposition. Their website provides details on various aspects of the card, including its annual fee, reward programs, travel benefits, and more. While there's no direct service to use, the information compiled from various user experiences offers a comparative analysis of the Platinum Card against other premium credit cards. The benefit is clear, informed decision-making before committing to a high annual fee card. Availability is dependent on Amex's eligibility criteria. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using information compiled from Amex Platinum Card Reviews. I spent several weeks researching the card, reading countless reviews on various platforms before making my decision. I started by looking at the card's key features, the airport lounge access, the travel credits, and the rewards points system, and then dove into individual user experiences to gauge the actual value. Navigating through different forums and review sites was surprisingly straightforward, although it did take time to sift through the sheer volume of information. I found that most reviews focused on similar aspects, allowing me to build a comprehensive picture. The performance, in terms of the information's reliability, was good. I could identify recurring themes and consistent feedback on the strengths and weaknesses of the card. I had a question regarding the fine print on the travel credit, and finding relevant blog posts and discussions from other users quickly answered my query. I was really impressed by the detailed reviews that included specific examples of how users maximized the card's benefits. One minor drawback was the occasional conflicting information. Some experiences were overly positive while others were excessively negative, making it challenging to strike a balance. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the information I gathered. It allowed me to make an informed decision about whether or not the Amex Platinum Card aligns with my financial goals and spending habits. That's my overview of Amex Platinum Card Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.